Welcome to our video series, where we'll be exploring the transformative power of maintenance software for reducing downtime. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. In this video, we'll be delving into how this software can streamline your maintenance processes, enhance preventive measures, and speed up asset recoveries. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, stay tuned to learn how you can significantly improve your work efficiency and reduce downtimes. Let's dive into how maintenance software can be a game changer in reducing downtime. It all boils down to streamlining your maintenance processes. First off, let's talk about planning better preventive maintenance tasks. Maintenance software, especially a computerized maintenance management system, provides data that helps you plan more effective preventive maintenance tasks. Did you know that around 45% of all maintenance tasks are ineffective? By focusing on tasks that actually prevent failures, you can significantly reduce downtimes. A computerized maintenance management system achieves this by tracking asset failures and work orders. As you plan more work that prevents failures and less work that doesn't, you'll start to see a decrease in unplanned downtimes. Next, let's discuss how maintenance software can streamline workflow and increase schedule compliance. As your maintenance technicians complete work orders, they can easily log that data into your computerized maintenance management system without wasting too much time. Maintenance software also simplifies task assignment to your technicians, eliminating unnecessary delays. It even enables reporting from the field through a connected mobile app, shaving hours off of maintenance processes. This means your staff can get more actual work done each day. As you create more room for wrench time, you'll improve your ability to stay on top of preventive maintenance tasks designed to avoid failures, and in turn, reduce downtime. Now, what happens when an asset fails? Well, the efficiency you gain through a computerized maintenance management system, especially one with mobile access, helps you get the asset back online faster. Operators can immediately mark an asset as non-operational, making it easy to quickly assign a work order. Technicians spend less time finding replacement parts or looking up schematics since that information can be stored in the system. With easier access to this information, your technicians can diagnose problems faster and implement the right solutions more quickly. The end result? Your asset gets back online faster. So, in a nutshell, implementing maintenance software in your plant allows you to plan better preventive maintenance tasks, maintain greater schedule compliance, and get assets back online faster after a failure. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved in the maintenance process. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the transformative power of maintenance software, how it can streamline your processes, enhance preventive measures, and speed up asset recoveries. If you found this information useful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more details, visit our website at upkeep.com. Your time is valuable, and we appreciate you spending it with us. Until next time, keep improving your maintenance processes.